Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are talking about the normal pathway of cholesterol metabolism. Normal pathway of cholesterol metabolism. Normal pathway of cholesterol metabolism. The cholesterol are metabolized in the liver. For example, this is the liver cell called hepatocytes. Liver cell called hepatocytes. They secrete the VLDL. They secretes the VLDL into the bloodstream. That secretes the VLDL into the bloodstream. The VLDL are circulated in the bloodstream, and finally they reach the capillaries and adipose tissue. Finally they reach the capillaries. Capillaries and adipose tissue. This VLDL from the adipose tissue and capillaries, they also goes to the muscles. This VLDL also goes to the muscles, the skeletal muscle. So when they are circulating, this VLDL when secreted by the liver, they are circulating in the bloodstream, and finally they reach the adipose tissue, the blood capillaries and the muscles. From here they are going to further, and an enzyme react in this VLDL, that is lipoprotein lipase. An enzyme react in this VLDL. The enzyme name is lipoprotein lipase. When this enzyme react, the VLDL change into the IDLD. That is, this VLDL change into the ILDL, intermediate low density lipoprotein. They change into the ILDL. They change into the ILDL. This ILDL, 50% of the cases, this enter into the liver. In the 50% of this concentration goes to the liver bed, and 50% in the adipose tissue remain. 50% in the adipose tissue is ILDL. Now this ILDL enter into the liver, the liver cell has a receptor for this. The liver cell has a receptor, and they metabolized and converted into the LDL. 70% of LDL of the plasma go to the liver. 70% of plasma LDL can also goes to the liver. So this ILDL and LDL goes to the liver in 50% concentration. In 70% of the plasma, liver goes to the plasma LDL goes to the liver. The LDL has specific receptors for the action. When this LDL enter into the liver, now we discuss another diagram. When this LDL reached into the receptors of the hepatocytes, this is the liver cell hepatocytes. It has receptors for the LDL. It has a receptor for the LDL receptor. This act and they form the invagination of this. The invagination of this membrane. There is invagination of this membrane occur at this side, and this is called coated pit. And finally these vesicles are formed, which is composed of LDL surrounded by a membrane. This layers formed and vesicle complete and folding completion occur. This is called vesicle. When this vesicle are formed, the action of lysosome occur in this vesicle. The action of lysosomal enzyme act on this vesicle and they rupture. And this vesicle rupture into the cholesterol molecule. They rupture into the cholesterol molecule by the action of the different lysosome enzymes. They rupture into the cholesterol molecules. When the cholesterol molecules are formed, this cholesterol molecule inhibit the enzyme called the HMG coenzyme A reductase. But this inhibition occurs only when there is the over concentration of cholesterol molecule. If there is over concentration of the cholesterol molecule, an enzyme is inhibited, that is called HMG coenzyme A reductase. This enzyme is inhibited by the high level of cholesterol. So they also inhibit this high level of cholesterol, also inhibits this LDL receptor, is also inhibit and block this LDL receptor. When the LDL receptors are blocked, so the LDL cannot enter into the liver hepatocytes and the cholesterol are maintained in the body. This is feedback inhibition. The high level of cholesterol is feedback inhibition. When there is low level of cholesterol, this cannot be blocked and this HMG coenzyme reductase activity cannot be blocked. So the vesicle rupture into cholesterol and other proteins, and protein fragments are also present. These proteins are amino acids. These amino acids play a role in the function of membrane protein. Membrane receptor protein. So when there is no lysosome, the vesicle cannot be ruptured and the cholesterol levels are there and this vesicle cannot be ruptured and the protein breakdown cannot be take place. The membrane protein, they form the receptor for LDL. This LDL receptor formed by this membrane protein, so that cannot be synthesized. So there is LDL receptor deficiency. So the LDL receptor are not present now, and the cholesterol molecule cannot be broken down, and the LDL receptor cannot be synthesized, and there is called lysosomal storage disease. This is called the lysosomal storage disease. Now we will discuss about the lysosomal storage disease. Lysosomal storage disease. What is lysosomal storage disease? The lysosomal storage disease, first we discuss about the formation of lysosome enzyme. That is lysosome enzyme formation. Lysosome enzyme formation.